Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. This video is about the Virtuals protocol, Virtuals coin, Virtuals crypto price prediction news analysis. What's going on? I told you about the 2.33, but it is just getting rejection from the 1.84. Guys, always remember, nothing goes straight upside. Right now, it is still intact as I told you, but it is just having a correction downside, and this is going to be very important video if you guys are holding and you are just looking for the more upside. So we will talk about this in a detail. Before starting, guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. Let's start here. A very important video about the virtuals. I'm just making virtuals video after 3 to 4 days. And first of all, I'm just going to show you about the market cap, $1.09 billion. Now it is holding above the $1 billion. The goal was to reclaim the $1 billion. After reclaiming, it is just holding that area. So this was the second thing, very important that was. And now the volume is 277 million dollar. Volume is also good on a virtuals protocol. And now, first of all, I'm just going to show you about the 2.30 or 2.33. What about that target, guys? Simply, there is only green candle on the screen as you are watching here, and there's no changes to that on weekly frame. Okay, as I'm just going to zoom in to show you, look at this recent candle here. Okay, it is just still green here. Okay, and we close above this region of 1.65. Okay, 1.51 was the zone, and currently the price is still standing at 1.67, which was the important region for this coin to hold. As long we are here, everything is okay. 2.33 will come, but if we lose this area, then the downside is going to be 1.26. So currently, overall, on a 1 week, there's a 6 day and 11 hour left. And recently, the weekly candle closed above this region. So now we are having a 6 days ahead. Okay. So now 1 week is looking good, but we need a volume here as the market is getting sideways because of the Bitcoin correction. And now here is the 5 day chart. 5 days is also showing the similar kind of a thing. Like here, you can see I'm just going to remove this lines from the chart here. Okay, we got rejection because it was the first time we hit this zone. This was the resistance level, and currently we are still watching the green candle, and green candle is still intact. We are holding on a 5 day. On RSI there's a huge room, like still we can continue upside. It's not a big deal if we got the money, if we got a volume in this coin. So overall, from here to here, this is the gap from 1.50 to 2.33, and I think it is just going to fill that gap. Now, 5 day, 1 week, every big frame is okay. What about the 2 day? On a 2 day, it is just getting sideways. Here you can see RSI was highly overbought, so that was the reason just to make it cool down, and then we can continue moving upside. What about the hourly frame? Now we will go to the short-term frame that you are watching regularly on your mobile screens. Okay, this is the 12-hour frame, and first of all, look at this RSI here. We were highly overbought and we were hitting that zone of the 82s, and we were having accumulation here, and now it is just going more downside. So this is very much necessary, realistic, and not a big problem for this kind of a downside. But overall, look at the prices. Prices are still holding. This is a 12-hour frame, and it's been from here to here almost 5 days. We are still holding in this region very well. Okay, and what is the downside? Downside is like the way it is showing strength here, and still having consolidation about the 1.50, and seems like someone is trying to secure this level of 1.50 or something. Okay, some more time here, maybe a big downside toward that region. That is going to be the opportunity to get entry into this coin if we get around the 1.30, 1.27 or something, rather than getting worried on this. Okay, and after hitting this area, this is the optional, as right now there's a no sign of this, but who knows, if we lose this area, then this is the 1.25, and 1.25 is also a bullish zone. Okay, and then we can just continue moving upside toward that region. This is the scenario I'm giving you. Okay, this is the downside, and this is the maximum downside that I'm expecting if it goes below that region of the 1.50. Overall, this is the target, and this is still same and intact. Here was my thought and analysis about the virtual protocol, virtual coin. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.